Revolutionizing your kitchen. The top 5 smart kitchen scales of 2023. Today, we're diving into the world of smart kitchen scales, the must-have gadgets that will level up your cooking game. On this episode of Smart Buy Reviews, we'll explore the top 5 smart kitchen scales you can find on Amazon right now. If you're ready to transform your kitchen experience, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Kicking off our list is the Untitled Food Scale, a sleek and reliable smart scale designed to make cooking a breeze. With its easy-to-use app and Bluetooth connectivity, it syncs seamlessly with your smartphone, offering a wide array of recipes and portion control options. Say goodbye to measuring cups. This scale can handle it all. Up next, we have the Ozeri Pronto Digital Scale, a versatile device that takes precise measurements to the next level. What sets this apart is its smart AI technology, which learns your cooking habits and adapts to your preferences. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary newbie, this scale will guide you towards perfection every time. For health-conscious cooks, the Greater Goods Digital Food Kitchen Scale is a game-changer. This smart scale comes with an integrated nutrition database, allowing you to track calories, macronutrients, and even allergens. It's like having a personal nutritionist right in your kitchen. Stay on track with your diet goals without sacrificing flavor or creativity. If you're all about multitasking, the Ascali Primo Digital Scale is the perfect companion. Besides its top-notch measuring capabilities, this smart scale boasts Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling you to connect with fellow cooks worldwide, share recipes, and join cooking challenges. The culinary community just got bigger. Last but certainly not least, we have the MyWay KD8000 Kitchen Scale, the epitome of innovation in the kitchen. This scale features a high-definition touchscreen, giving you access to a vast library of recipes, cooking tips, and video tutorials. You'll feel like a professional chef in no time. And there you have it, the top 5 smart kitchen scales you can grab on Amazon right now. From the Untitled Food Scale to the MyWay KD8000 Kitchen Scale, these devices are sure to transform your kitchen into a smart cooking haven. So, which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our Smart Buy Reviews for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, happy cooking!